I'm William Bellew, and this is my Quizlet app demonstration in Android Studio. Just a moment while I boot my device. Alright. And then I'll press this to run the app I made. And while that's booting up, which will take less time this time than last time, I'm going to look over some of the code to explain how it does what it does. So the initial plan was to write this program in Java. However, the tutorials were in Kotlin, so that's what I ended up programming in instead. And the majority of this program is more like HTML, where it's mostly positional. For example, setting up buttons that, when pressed, will call a function. And in this particular case, add quizlet, let's see, that is effectively a menu, allowing you to add additional quizlets. Let's see, where did I define this? Here. They're all part of a data class quizlet holding question, which is string, correct answer, which is string, and wrong answers, which typically is 3 strings, at least the way I've set it up. Alright. Enum class is the initial startup. I guess you could describe it as a map to all of the menus. Now then, let's look at a demonstration of what this code does. You go to add new quiz. It'll ask you for a question, a right answer, and 3 wrong answers. Let's see, a good question. Who is Spot? Let's see. Now I've saved that Quizlet. Now I can add a new Quizlet, or I can cancel out back to main menu and practice Quizlet. It'll select a random quiz, which in this case, as there's only one stored, it'll call that. So if I choose date as cat, it will display a good job banner, which, once that goes away, these 4 buttons are usable again. Now if I select the wrong answer, it'll show a not quite warning screen that'll last for 5 seconds. Now I also have the option to delete the Quizlet. It'll display the no Quizlets available, add some first banner, which is defined here in response to if Quizlets is empty, a catcher. Now then, if I were to add multiple Quizlets, it would randomly select between them. However, for now, the only functionality left to demonstrate is closing the app and then turning off the emulator. Alright. And that should do it for my demonstration of the new program.